There are several extremely long migrations in the animal kingdom. These include such animals as caribou, gray whales, and leatherback sea turtles. But one of the longest migrations is taken up by Calidris canutus, or the Rufa Red Knot. This migration route spans over 9,000 miles. Description: as the name suggests, the Rufa Red Knot is usually a bright rufous red color on the head, neck, breast, and belly over a dark patterned back during the summer. In the winter months, these birds are much muted in their colors, being pale gray-brown with a light gray belly and having a dark eye stripe. The legs and bill remain the same black color throughout the year. Usually this species is between 9 and 11 inches long with around a 23-inch wingspan. Rufa Red Knots are renowned for their notably lengthy migration. Migration and habitat. This migration stretches from extreme northern Canada, where they spend the summer, all the way down to the coast of South America, where they spend the winter. Rufa Red Knot's migration is sometimes called the moonbird flight path and stretches over 9,000 miles, meaning that these little birds fly a combined total of over 18,000 miles a year. In the summer, these birds inhabit mudflats or shorelines while nesting inland next to lakes and streams. In the winter, these birds are most commonly found on mudflats, shorelines, and tidal areas. Diet and predators. To sustain the long migration, Rufa Red Knots eat a variety of marine invertebrates, insects, and plant materials. Horseshoe crab eggs are a critical food source, especially during migration. Throughout their range, these birds must watch out for a variety of predators, consisting mainly of birds of prey, jaegers, gulls, and foxes. Behavior and breeding. Rufa Red Knots migrate north to their breeding grounds from late April to early June in large single-species flocks. Non-breeding birds will often stay in the wintering grounds, with these birds usually being under 1 year old. After reaching the breeding ground, territorial displays and pairing occurs. Nests consist of a depression in the ground lined with grass, lichen, or other plant materials. Typically, 3 to 4 pale to deep olive-colored eggs are laid in the nest and are incubated for around 21 days. Rufa Red Knots can fly and are independent at 20 days. They usually spend the summer in the breeding grounds and begin departing between July and September to return to their wintering grounds. Cause of decline. The Rufa Red Knot is threatened due to habitat loss, loss of food sources, and increased predation due to coastal changes, both natural and man-made, that hinder the species' ability to collect enough food to prepare for migration. A large part of the lack of food is the over-harvesting of horseshoe crabs. The eggs are a vital food source along migration paths. A change in Arctic conditions may have also affected the normal predator-prey dynamics, increasing pressures on these little birds. So, now you know about the threatened little bird that undertakes one of the longest migrations in the animal kingdom.